Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is absolutely a stunning day for me to put together some gorgeous fall outfits using my favorite black thigh-high boots. I love boots, I love fall season, so I was so excited to film this. Here they are. Ooh. These specific ones I got at DSW last year, and they're from the brand. I'll spell it somewhere over here. What I really like is that it has this beautiful studded detail. Look at these. And they're suede. That's them. And please leave a comment if you want me to do more types of videos like this. And I will see you soon. Also, really quickly, wanted to show you a little trick of how I store thigh-high boots. Take the noodles, you measure the noodles to the size of the boot. There we go. And you cut it out, and that way, boop, they stay up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. It's cool, huh? Look at that. That's what's up.